Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we dive into unique finds and tell you whether they're worth your money. Today, we're looking at something that just might surprise you: the best cheap flowers on Amazon. The Joekaran Crochet flower in the pink gradient myosotis variety. A charming piece of handcrafted decor that's been gaining a lot of attention. At first glance, you might think this is just another artificial flower for your desk or dashboard. But take a closer look. Joekaran has taken the concept of faux florals and elevated it with skillful crochet work. The petals and stems are entirely handmade using high-quality cotton yarn. This isn't mass-manufactured plastic. It's crafted with care, making each flower feel special and a little bit personal. The pink gradient myosotis design is delicate and sweet. The color transitions beautifully from a soft baby pink to a slightly deeper hue, creating a gentle gradient effect that looks soothing and elegant. It adds a subtle pop of color without being overwhelming, making it suitable for minimalistic, cozy, or even whimsical room styles. What sets this apart is the level of detail. Joekaran emphasizes that there are no exposed wires in the core or stems of the flower, which helps maintain a clean, cohesive aesthetic. The pot is a small, simple plastic container, about 1.57 inches tall and 1.97 inches wide. While it's nothing extravagant, it blends well with the flower and adds to the overall charm without stealing attention. The grass in the pot is also crocheted, adding an extra layer of realism and craftsmanship. When you set it on a desk, shelf, or dashboard, it doesn't scream fake flower. Instead, it gives off cozy handmade vibes, almost like a little piece of your grandmother's living room, but in the best possible way. Now, let's talk about where this flower really shines, as a gift. Whether it's for Valentine's Day, a birthday, Christmas, Thanksgiving, graduation, or Teacher's Day, this makes an excellent little present. It's small enough to be a desk ornament but meaningful enough to show you care. The fact that it's handcrafted gives it an emotional touch. It feels like someone put time and effort into making it, even if you bought it online. You don't need to crochet it yourself. It arrives ready to use. For those who admire handmade goods but don't have the time or skill to make them, this is a great way to get that handcrafted feel without any effort. Because each flower is handmade, there may be slight variations in size or appearance, but that actually adds to its charm. No two flowers are exactly alike, much like real ones. And it's surprisingly affordable. For the price, you're getting a finished piece of crochet art that lasts far longer than real flowers. It doesn't wilt, doesn't need water, and won't trigger allergies, all while still adding a gentle floral vibe to your space. So if you're looking for a thoughtful, inexpensive, and truly unique gift, or just want to spruce up your own desk or shelf with something charming, the Joekaran Crochet flower in pink gradient myosotis is a delightful little pick. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're into handmade decor or love budget-friendly gift ideas that actually stand out, be sure to check this one out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product critiques every week. See you next time.